Hi, my name is Rachel Peters. I am a huge mPower fan.
I'm 22 weeks pregnant. I love mPower.
Hey everyone, my name is Celeste McAfee. I wanted to share my quick testimonial of the most amazing protein powder that I have ever tried in my life. I'm not even joking.
I love that it doesn't have any artificial sweeteners and it's got all your prenatals, so it has everything that you need. Right now I drink it pretty much every day after I work out.
Safe for breastfeeding and it's safer when you're pregnant.
The reason I love this protein drink is it's super easy to make.
It's got a really great natural vanilla flavor by itself.
You really can't beat the taste. It's so good.
So the reason I love it is I'm a full-time working mom and I don't have time for breakfast, so I just make it and it's my breakfast.
And I just have to say, even though I'm not pregnant, I still love this mPower. It is absolutely amazing.
So I'm really excited about this, and it really has helped me after my runs.
So this helps me get all my protein and my nutrition, and I don't have to take my prenatal, so it's perfect for me.
You guys, there's no chalky taste, no aftertaste, I don't have to plug my nose.
Make sure my body gets what it needs, and it tastes delicious.
So I am relieved because when I am pregnant again one day, I will be so happy that I have this baby. Keep extra in stock so I don't miss a day without this stuff.
It's amazing. So thank you, Michelle. You've got a customer for life.
So you guys, try some. It's awesome.
So if you were hesitant about trying it out, don't be. You will be so happy and you're going to wish you would have had it sooner like I did.